Let me show you what to do if you cannot connect your Bluetooth device into your Samsung S25. So first of all, I will definitely start by performing a reset of your device, or at least entering for the pairing mode. So let's enter for the pairing mode, and in most cases you will have to click and hold for some button or even some buttons combination until indicator of your device starts blinking. In the most cases it blinks white, or it blinks blue, or blue and red. And also you have to be sure that you charge your device, because sometimes you cannot enter for the pairing mode because your charging case or device is out of the battery. And next, you can basically switch off Bluetooth on your S25 and then turn it on back. This is the simple restart of the Bluetooth settings. And just be patient and wait a little bit for your device. As you can see in my case, earbuds are in the pairing mode, but the device is still not right here. So this is what I want to say. Sometimes you just have to be patient and wait until your device appears here. You can just basically go back from the list. You can switch off this Bluetooth, turn it on back, and perform scanning one more time. You know, this is the wireless connection, so that's why sometimes it's not working. But as you can see right now, after this simple process, I got my device on the list. So just accept your device and accept pairing request. But if it is still not working, you can try to perform hard reset of your earbuds or of your Bluetooth device. But also you can try to reset network settings on your S25. So go for the search, input a reset phrase, and here you should go into reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. So try to do this one and then try to repeat the process and tell me if it works. And if you find it useful, please leave a like and a comment below.